Hello, Honesty Foundation. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, honestyfoundation.com. Not a bad looking site. Has good pictures. It's got good bones to it. There's a few different pages. One thing I see is that you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content. And what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like that, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. When putting your name in the tool, honestyfoundation.com, have 32 keywords in your website that people are searching for on Google that relate to your industry: concrete, foundation repair in the woodlands, Houston foundation companies, so forth and so on. If we look at two of your other competitors, leveledconcrete.com, putting their domain name into this tool, they have about 1,200 keywords into their website, adding variations of what you have. Give me a second, sorry. More Houston driven. They have concrete repair, driveway leveling, Houston concrete, so forth and so on. Let me get these pages back to its original form. Another competitor you have is HoustonConcrete.com. They have about 286 keywords, which is much more than what you have, but much less than the Level Concrete guy. But they have other keywords as well that brings them traffic into their door. Now let's take another look at something else that Google calls backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others directing traffic for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, or in our case, the winner has the most websites pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have. Again, you can do it yourself if you want, but if you use me, who has an expertise in this area, it will save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Backlinks currently in your website is actually a great amount, 84 backlinks. If I look at Level Concrete, they have 198 backlinks. If I look at Houston Concrete, they have 242 backlinks. Other websites pointing to yours, like for them, pavingmaterials.regionaldirectory.us, deals@yellowpages.com, viasearch.com, so forth and so on. Now we're going to go over citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack where it's extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Sorry, let me go back, show you what a map pack is if you don't know already. When I search for concrete contractors in Houston, I see a few names that come up right by, or a few names of businesses right by this map. Shows where they are on the map. It's pinned down. And then these all have Google business profiles that have been optimized. This is what's called a GBP, Google Business Profile, or back in the day used to be called a Google My Business, GMB. Both mean the same thing. They can see their ratings and stuff on here as well. But it's really key to be right up top whenever you get into a search. Other things that we can see after the map pack is going to be an organic search or organic traffic coming through to HoustonConcrete.com. Concrete Network shows a list of different concrete companies. ab-concrete.com, so forth and so on. Citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others you might have heard of. Like if I go on Yelp and I search for concrete contractors in Houston, you're going to see your Texas Patio. I can go into any one of these, Streamline Concrete Repair. I can go into any one of these and see their name, number, and address. Same thing for Better Business Bureau, Concrete Contractors in Houston, name, phone number, address. And social media accounts are also great. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it for you. Traffic for honestyfoundation.com is 1 visit on average per month. Organic traffic, if you read the top part. Estimated number of monthly visits that your target gets from organic search. Meaning if I search for concrete in Houston, according to the keywords that you have in your website, you have about 1 visit per month on average to your website due to your keywords and or to your backlinks. If I go to levelconcrete.com, they have 982 visits to their website on average per month because of where their keywords are, how many backlinks they have, people pointing to them, as well as the words match up with what people are searching out there. Going to HoustonConcrete.com, even more than Level Concrete, 1,700 visits per month on average. They have less keywords and they have less backlinks than the previous guy, but their backlinks are more weighted and their keywords are more stronger as well, is why that person would see that kind of traction. And once again, Ahrefs is just a tool so that these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers for Google are actually almost always much higher than what Ahrefs has. By generating this kind of traffic through their website, going back to HoustonConcrete.com, and Google Business Profile, let's say their conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 1,700 people or visits per month is 170. And if they close business deals at about 50% of those 170 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, the Houston Concrete Construction is probably closing somewhere around 75 to 85 jobs per month, just from their online presence alone. I'm not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 75 to 85 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living. And I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online, to make your website work for you, basically. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265 and my email is ajms4you@gmail.com. Once again, it's ajms4you@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps and have a great day.